In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off notifications on the Binance app as of 2025. Now, managing your notifications can significantly enhance your app experience, ensuring you receive only the updates that truly matter to you. Whether you'd like to fine-tune the alerts you receive or mute all notifications, understanding how to navigate these settings is key. Let's start by opening your Binance app. Ensure you're logged in with your credentials. If not, take a moment to do so. Being signed in is crucial as it links your specific notification preferences to your account and keeps your settings personalized. Once you're in, direct your attention to the menu icon. It's typically represented by 3 horizontal lines, a common sight in many apps as a means to access more features and settings. Tap on this icon to explore further options. In the menu, head over to Settings, which is usually symbolized by a gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Think of this area as the control center for your app, where you can modify various aspects of its functionality to suit your personal preferences. Now that you're within the settings area, locate and tap on notification preference. This section is where you'll find all the magic happens regarding your alerts. Here, you can control different categories of notifications such as news and activities, price alerts, and transactions. To adjust these, simply toggle each option on or off according to your needs. This customization allows you to receive only the updates you find valuable while avoiding unnecessary distractions. Additionally, if you're specifically looking to disable marketing messages or what might be referred to as square notifications, these can be managed within the same notification preference section. Just scroll to find marketing updates or square notifications and toggle them to your desired setting. This can help in keeping your focus on more critical alerts rather than promotional content. For those who wish to take notification control to the next level, there's an extra step you can consider. Both iOS and Android devices allow you to manage notification settings at the system level. Simply navigate to your phone's settings, find notifications, and locate the Binance app within that list. Here you have the option to disable notifications entirely from appearing on your device, essentially providing a silent mode for your app while still keeping you logged in. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to managing your Binance notifications in 2025. By tweaking these settings, you can strike the perfect balance between staying informed and maintaining uninterrupted focus in your daily tasks. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps as your needs change and continue enjoying a tailored app experience.